So now we're going to start embellishing the inside, and for the cover I'm going to place this sticker right here. It says plant your wishes. The first page I made some arrangement. I cut a piece of this printable page and use this paper sharpers brand, this trimmer, trim this edge, and then I'm gonna place right here to cover this stitches. I'm gonna use this glue because it's easy to dry.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see from up here.
So this is going to be a pocket. You can put postcards this way or that way. And I already put a sticker in here. It says garden is a colorful work of art. I'm going to leave this side open so it can be a pocket. I'm going to put the glue on these three sides.
We meant to be in the great outdoors.
Then I'm going to place these fussy cut flowers in here.
Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth.
We can place some HThe card inside these. So this is our cover page. So the first page, I'm going to put a sticker right here, and down this side I'm going to glue this tag right here. And also I'm not going to glue, I'm going to leave the top side open, glue these three sides so it can be a little pocket.
You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
And you can place some tags, small tags in here. Yeah, well, I don't want to cover this beautiful tag, so I'm gonna leave this to the side. A little wheelbarrow here, I want to put this tag right here. It says farm fresh. For this page, I want to place a little slant pocket here. When you cut the pocket out, fold all these flaps inward and then put glue down each flap. So for inside this pocket, I can put a little notebook here. So this is a notebook I made using these 2 pages from this kit, and I cut some papers. Just do it this way and put this note here, says garden notes. This is basically actually it's in the kit. Flip over is our garden seasonal calendar. In here I previously made a pocket using this transfer paper, and this paper is one of the pages, printable page, and I just glue 3 sides, made a pocket. You can place your postcard and the envelope in here, and this is blank my garden seasonal calendar. You can write down, and this part is also a pocket I made with the same piece of paper as this, because it's printed on an 8.5 by 11 inches paper. So I have the leftover paper. I made some pocket, and this is one of the envelopes I put. You can place all these stickers in the envelope. For the future, you can use them. For this blank page, I would love to place this in here and make it a pocket, so I can put my long bookmarks in the pocket. Glue 3 sides, leave the top open.
Like a bird on a tree.
Okay, I'm going to put some stickers in here. Life is better in the garden.
It's clear to see from up here. The world seems small.
These extra pages, because this garden records, you can, every time you plant something, you write down the name, type, and all that information for your garden journal. For this page, I am going to do a little embellishment. I think I'm going to glue this postcard down somewhere and make it a pocket. Put the smaller postcard in. And for this, I'm going to put a little tag in here, and also it can make a little cute pocket. You can place some tags, some stamps in here, and also this is a little angel, so I'm going to put these words here. Fairies gather in my garden.
To see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell.
This open. This is another garden journal. Also, I print extra pages for this. And on this page, I pre-made a pocket to use the same transfer paper left over. You know, I can place some postcards, beautiful postcard. I placed the embellishment here. This is a very pretty page, so I'm going to place, this is empty, so I'm going to place this tag here and make a pocket out of this. You can place little things in here. For this one, I'm going to place the garden and party ticket line. And for this part here, I glue a stamp here and place some words to decorate it. For this page, I am going to place a belly band from one of the printable pages. Put it right in the middle, these things in between. For the next few pages, there will be weekly journal, 4 pages in total. So I'm going to place some stickers here. For example, this page is for week 8. So I'm going to put week 8 down here. And for the rest of the stickers, I place them inside this envelope. So later on, you can use them for your future weekly journal. So for this, I'm going to keep. It's perfect to keep it right here between this belly band. For here, I'm going to place this fuzzy flower, which is tiger lily. Place right here and put a word. Always plant something new, because this page presents seeds. This page, I'm going to place this slang envelope. Do it the same way as I did the other one. To see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. Okay, and then put the seed pocket. You're supposed to put glue and glue the pocket. You and me.
meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
So this page I'm going to put this tag in here, make it a pocket. I'm gonna make this white a little bit yellowish, so I'm gonna use the distressed ink to distress it and place it right here as a little pocket.
Like a bird on a
And
tree.
this page I pre-made, glued down a piece of lace, and you can place your card, postcard, and whatever in this pocket.
It's clear to see.
For this one, you can leave it open to write down your stuff. This part need to be covered.
It's so beautiful, you and me.
See, this subject on this page is she finished her garden work, and it's weekend day, so she is dressed up and carrying her beautiful umbrella and leaving her house and go shopping, carrying the coupons with her. So I'm going to keep the coupons in this page. So this is going to be the pocket. For this note, blank note book, I'm going to place 2 fuzzy cut flowers to decorate it.
See the truth around you. From a distance you can tell.
So I'm going to make a quick flip through of this new book.